Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit my notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all know this is Dollar General Saturday, 5 off of 25. Yes. All right, so I'm bringing y'all this deal. This is not on the low, but this is on the low that I look at, okay? So in, Dollar General, going around, putting things in my cart, saying, yeah, I want to get this, I want to get that. But then I was like, I wanted to bring them a deal that was really low. But then I was like, oh, I can't leave this. So I said, you know what? Forget it. I'm just going to bring him a deal that's on the low. Not the low, but on the low. These things you can use, which is good if you got these digital. And then I did use one manufacturer coupon, okay? So let's go ahead and get to this deal. Okay, so the first thing is the Dove. I had digital coupon, and y'all, I'm sorry if y'all hear any noise going on. It is my air, because it is hot out here, honey. It was raining, and now it's getting really hot, because when it rains, it brings the really hotness, okay? So like I was saying, on the Dove, there's a digital coupon that is attached, and if you still have it, it's buy one Dove body wash, and it has to be the 22 ounce, and you get a Dove deodorant, and it has to be, I think it's a 2.6. So I got this Dove right here body wash, and I got the Dove deodorant, okay? Then also I had a $2 off of 2 Dove manufacturer coupon that actually scanned for it. So what y'all do is, to get these coupons, manufacturer coupons, you can go on dove.com and you can sign up to get Dove coupons, okay? So the next thing is the Gang detergent. Let's see, the Gang detergent, how much was that? Is on sale for $4.95. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. You can get the Gang liquid. You can get the fabric softener. I think you can get the sheets and the beads, but just scan your product in your app, okay, to make sure that everything's attaching, all right? So then the next thing, I got the Right Guard. The Right Guard is $2.25, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, then the next thing is the Gang. Okay, there is a deal going on with the Gang. If you spend $10 or more on certain products, on not the Gang, but on this deal right here, if you spend on the Colgate, Irish Spring, Speed Stick, and Suavitel. My store is always out of the Suavitel sheets. Okay, so on the Colgate, they are 2 for $5 or $2.75 on the Colgate Max. So I got 2 of those. I got the Speed Stick, which the Speed Stick is, how much is Speed Stick? It was $1, and it scanned for it also. And then I got the Irish Spring Men Body Wash. It is $4. And there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching also. Was it $1? Yes, I'm sorry, $1 that is attaching. Then once all of this scanned, all of it totaled up, my $3 did come off. So I will show you that also on my receipt, okay? The next thing is the Airwick. There is a digital coupon. These Airwicks are $3.35. Let me make sure. Yes, $3.35. There is a digital coupon. When you buy 2, you get $3 off. So it's almost like buy one get one free. Okay, almost like that, because they are $3.35, and when you buy 2 of them, you get $3.50 off. Okay, so I got one just for well, about two of them, Lord, about two of them for $3.35, but the coupon is $3.50 off of two. There you go. Sorry, y'all. Then the last thing I got was the Dow. The Dow, there is a digital coupon. The Dow is $3. Okay, this body wash is $3. But there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching to this one. Also, on the trial size, the $1 digital coupon is attaching, but my store did not have any trial size of the Dow. Okay, they were still putting up stock. So, yeah, that's everything. After all my things was rung up, I put in my number, and my subtotal was, y'all, $11.90. Yes, $11.90 for all of this. And some people don't want a coupon. Honey, you better get out there and get this, okay? So let me show you my receipt. Let's see. There you go. You see, there's the Colgate. There's the Irish Spring. And there's the Speak Stick. And then you see both of those store discounts. That means the 5 off of 25 came off. And the $3 when you spend $10 or more came off, okay? And then also the digital coupons came off. Then there's the Airwick. There's the Dow. There's the Right Guard. There's the Dove with the buy one, get the deodorant free, okay? Then, let's see, there's the Gain. All right? So look at my subtotal, $11.90. You can't beat that, $11.90. Look how much I saved, $27.75. But y'all know when y'all do the 5 off of 25, you have to go over when you're having those save deals that's going on. You have to go over the price of the $25 to actually get it. But still, I got my total savings was $27.75. And then we have a 5 off of 25 for next week. Yeah, if y'all don't get out there and get these deals, I don't know what's going on. But you know what? If y'all don't want to get out there and get these deals, just save them for me. And believe me, I'm going to get out there and get them. All right. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul, 5 off of 25. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Londa's channel.